How to fix Lensa not saving photos. So you just created the perfect AI masterpiece in Lensa. You tap the save button and nothing, it's not showing up in the camera roll. Super frustrating. And don't worry, it's usually a simple fix. Let's quickly walk through the most common reasons this happens. Ready? First of all, let's check app permission. This is a number one cause. Go into the phone setting, find the Lensa app and make sure you have given the permission to access all the photos. Sometimes we accidentally hit don't allow during the setup. Let's go inside the setting. You can see the phone setting right over here. Let's tap on it. Once you're inside it, go to the apps, all apps, and search for Lensa. You can see my Lensa. Let's tap on it. Once you insert the app info of the Lensa, you will be seeing this type of interface. Now what you have to do is simply tap on the permissions and see if you have permitted the Lensa to access all the photos. And here you can see I have allowed the photos and videos. If you haven't, simply tap on it and allow it, or just tap on always allow all. So that was the first one. Still not working. So if it's still not working, the second step, check your phone storage. These AI images are high quality and can take a surprising amount of space. If your storage is nearly full, your phone will block new files from being saved. Just delete the old photos or the app that you didn't use. Then try saving again. If you have the space and the permissions are right, head over to the App Store or Google Play Store. Is there an update for the Lensa? Developers are always pushing out the bug fixes, and installing the latest version can solve the problem instantly. And final, classic fix. A simple restart of your phone can clear out the temporary glitches. If that fails, deleting and reinstalling the Lensa app is the last resort for fresh start. One of these steps should get your photos saving properly. Drop a comment below and let us know which one worked for you. So that's all for today's video, and if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.